I suck, okay? I don't have an excuse. This is a really self-deprecating video, I promise. I'm not that self-deprecating, okay? Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and this is just going to be a quick little Ipsy unbagging for the month of May. I do want to do a lot more content on my channel that is not unboxing, but I do love doing unboxings and like just giving you my honest opinion, so... Also, this is fake because I know about 14, I want to try a nose piercing, but I know about 14 different groups of people that would literally have a conniption if I got it. 2 of them being my bosses. I used a purple shampoo once in my Instagram story and had it I Instagrammed a picture of myself, and it was like I set the purple shampoo in it and my boss literally thought I was dyeing my hair purple and was like telling his wife that he was gonna make me wear a hat, so I don't think they'd like this, so I'm just testing it out for fun. You know what? YOLO, I don't give an F anymore. I'm doing what I want to do. It's whatever. I do what I do. Ipsy. Now I will say I have snuck a peek. Not too hard though. And I'm actually just seeing right now that there's a little plate on here. But this month has been craziness just in terms of like trying to get my life together. So just give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that. I suck, yo. So don't mind my really messy hair. Don't care. Like, look at it. Who do I think I am? So go there, Ipsy May 2018. I guess this is London, and I don't even know why, but I've been like secretly obsessed, oh no, it's Paris. Secretly obsessed with Meghan Markle. Why? I think because she like achieved a fairy tale, and that's not the fairy tale I want, but she inspires me to like achieve a fairy tale. She's also freaking stunning, okay? I don't care about the royals that much though. First and foremost, I got the Huda Beauty, Huda, in Trophy Wife. It is a lip pencil, and that's amazing. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. I'm so happy I got this. Like, this is like a big deal for an Ipsy thing. Like, I've actually never tried a Huda beauty product, so that is A+. I'm excited about that. Next, we have the Tristique Mini Matte Blur Stick. So I'm guessing this is like a little milk mini stick. Oh, that feels really smooth, but like, I don't know if I'd be able to go over my whole face with this. That would take like 27 years. Like, how much is in here? Like, oh my god, that's it? Like, how many uses do I get out of this thing? I feel like I'll use it all up in one use, but you know what? I guess it's a cool thing to get a blurring primer. I have the milk one. I'm not a huge fan. This one actually feels smoother than the milk one, so alright. Next we have a beauty blender, and I am really picky about these. Usually and it's not a beauty blender, like it is actually by the brand Schmiss Glam. Okay, so it actually doesn't feel as bad as some of them do, but I can just tell. Like, first of all, it's teeny tiny. This is like too big for concealer, except it's really not, but it's like too small to go all over my face, and it feels like it's not going to really expand, so you know, it's meh. Next I have the Aphrodite, The Secret of Natural Beauty Olive Oil Face Scrub. Gently exfoliating. Has St. John's wort oil in it, which I know is supposed to relieve anxiety. Will this literally just go through my pores and relieve my anxiety? One can only hope. I have something stronger for that, but just kidding. No, I'm not. Anyway, so this is just an exfoliator, so. Last but not least in our Ipsy bag, we have the Tony Moly Painting Therapy Pack Sebum Control Black Color Clay. Now, I don't need sebum control. I'm just being really honest. I have super duper dry skin. So I'm guessing this is like a black, yeah, this is like a thick black, like oil controlling clay mask. Don't know if that's gonna be up my alley. I mean, I'll try it. I'll try everything once, and I want to like review it for you guys, which I'm so sorry I didn't post my box review. Let me know if you still want me to do my April box review for all my subscription boxes. I suck, okay? I don't have an excuse. This is a really self-deprecating video, I promise. I'm not that self-deprecating, okay? So that was my May Ipsy. I will say this is definitely not my favorite. I'm not too excited. I like the Huda Beauty lip liner. Other than that, everything else is kind of just a matte middle of the road for me. So the bag is so cute, though. I will say that. So other than that, not too impressed, Ipsy. Not too impressed. Guys, thank you so much for watching my Ipsy video. I hope you have a fantastic night. Have a great one. Bye.